Hello again. Here's a small update. I went to the computer store and I got some more parts here, and then I got the screens, a bunch of 16-volt capacitors, and the two screens for the Goteks. And they were $17.50 each, but you know, if you want them and you need them right now, that's what we're going to have. So I'm going to do both of the Gotek screens to get rid of these stupid triple number things. While they work, the LCD is much better, so you know what you're going to have. And then I just picked up 1, 2, 3 16-volt 1500 caps because I need them for something else. And then I got some NTE capacitors, 16-volt 220s for a couple of these little turds that are starting to show some yuck. The showy caps in the Amigas are usually pretty good. The big box Amigas in the 500s. 4000s have a lot of surface mount, as do the 6 and the 12, but they're just ELs, and we're going to go ahead and replace them. Some of them are showing some crusty signs. The one near the LED, which I still can't get working, so I bought a red and a green LED. I'm not even sure of the colors on these, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my power supply that's built into the solder station just to generate some power across this line here to see if they even light up. I don't know if they do or not, and if they don't, these are square LEDs. I'm gonna have to do something to illuminate them, probably from the bottom. I'll hot glue some stuff in here so the reflection goes up. If they don't work, I don't know, they could just have some issues. I don't know. I am getting current to the bus here when it's on, but what I'm going to do is, since the Denise socket is pretty much hosed, there's a broken pin in one of them. That's why I was squeezing it and getting it to work. I'm actually I have sockets on order for the 44 pin and the 40s for like the hard drive controller, the odd and even CIAs, the ROMs of course, the rest of the PLCs, the 84 pin PLC C chips I have on order. There's 5 of them here, but I think I ordered 4, and there is a smaller one in the back for the Amber chip. But I'm going to hold off on that one unless absolutely necessary. So what I'm going to do while I'm waiting the whatever days for the Denise sockets to come in is I am going to remove ever so carefully the Denise chip, which is clean. I think I've showed you this before. It's very clean, and I a little sanded it a little bit too. But I'm going to remove the socket and I'm going to solder this in directly, just for now until I get the chip, so I can eliminate that and make my display work a lot better and see what I got going on as far as booting. When you've seen in the video where I'm trying to get it to boot and I get the super kickstart, or I get the actual kickstart on the 314 ROMs here to load, it doesn't do anything though. Looks for the disk, and doesn't boot at all. So I'm still troubleshooting that. I still feel kind of screwed over on this for as much money as I paid for this. But that's the update. So I'm going to get busy on taking this out. Okay. .5 volt. This one's dead. I'm going to toss that one in the trash. Try these LEDs directly. Outer pin is power. Other 3 are ground. Okay, I got light. Alright, good. The power light is green. The hard drive lights I do not. Don't have anything on the hard drive light. Alright, so no hard drive activity, but the power LED does work, which leads me to my next problem, which is, why doesn't this work when the power is turned on? So we're going to just start. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add solder to it. I guess I'll use more because I want to make sure that I'm going to be able to get it out. And minus the little bit of solder right here, holes are clean and we're good. I'm going to clean this up on this side some more too with some flux and running it in again. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just basically putting the flux over the holes, and I don't care if you get flux on stuff. And then I'm gonna just run the braid. Now we're gonna take our Denise. We're gonna look at the socket on the bottom and see how effed up it was. Solder wise, it looks pretty good. The ground pin I broke off on purpose, but on the top, right here, it only has one little clip of the pin. There was nothing to grab onto, and it kind of shoved itself in. You can't really tell on camera, but it's screwed up. I was so tempted to take the Denise out of the working 500, but I'm like, you know what? Nope, I'm not going to do that because I want to make sure that I get a brand new one. And in the meantime, I can just solder the Denise right in because I don't care. If I remembered where I put it. Yeah, there it is. The one right next to the Commodore symbol. This is probably a stupid idea to do. It's on there, it's sitting there. We're gonna make sure I put it in the right direction. Yes, I did. There's the 8373 ECS Denise. No socket, surface mounting. All the pins, or where are you at? Finger. All the pins are through. The ground pin here. And what we're going to do is we're going to flux this puppy and zap it in with some solder. Replug this in holding the power supply by hand. I just also set the jumper for no DF1 for the time being. Here we go. Oh, switching the down position. Okay. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Isn't that nice? That's awesome. So, soldered in Denise, fixed the glitch graphics. Now I'm going to have some weird flickery stuff because there's a potentiometer that has some shit that I have to tweak. What the hell controls this power light? Look. No power light. At least this is running now. Let's see what we get. I gotta put this back in the case because I'm tired of holding it. Okay, first time in her own case. I'm not putting the outer case on. We're just gonna place the gotek right here for now, and we're gonna use my thumb drive from the whatever. Yeah, select track 0. Track 0. This is in the down position, and oh shit! Wait a minute. Forgot to plug the monitor in. Okay. Track 0 should be the boot of the menu for flash floppy. See it accessing. So let's try this again. There's nothing in here. I'm just booting off the selector. See how much memory it has. If it shows 2 mega chip, if it boots at all, I don't know. Alright, 4 megs of fast, 2 mega chip. Freaking incredible. Isn't that awesome? That is just freaking awesome. This mouse feels weird. Please don't tell me to put install in because I don't know what disk it is. Okay, so alright, the disk joystick works. Here, let me give you guys a better view. Sorry about that. I was so excited to have something running. So this is the Advanced Amiga Analyzer by Wilcom, Australia. I'm just testing the joystick ports and the mouse. Right click, left click. So the pregnant mouse works. I'm going to do memory, and we're just going to do a run test. Okay, passed. End test. Okay. Audio I can't test because I don't have any speakers over here. Video. Of course it's going to do the other port, but okay. So that's cool. I got a read error on the ADF. That's funny. Not a DOS disk and device 0. Did I switch? Yeah, I didn't. Okay, so 17. Why is this not a DOS disk? 16. Alright, what the heck? Why is it not? Why are all these not DOS disks? 15. Let's doing it again. Alright, let me quit Directory Works. That's crazy. DFO unreadable. No, it's doing the same thing it did before. I'm gonna go to track 0, which is the master track. Can't have a read error on this one, stupid. Alright, what controls the floppies? We're gonna reboot off of this track 0 here and just see what the hell's what. See? Now it's not working at all. So I'm gonna turn this off. Weirdness with the discs, but it's functional. We'll see. Yeah. It's acting stupid. The light. It'll act just like a Amiga with a floppy disk going click, 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 click. 1, 2, 3. Bad. Isn't that crazy? Like gotek. So, I'm done. I'm tired. I'm going to go drink some wine. Thanks for watching. stay tuned for more updates.